And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Neely FX. My name is Michael Neely, and I am with Henry, the Forex Trading Parakeet. This is the channel where we talk about foreign exchange trading and trading in general, and basically growing money. And with that in mind, let's go straight to the risk disclaimer screen, because we're going to be talking about things that are not for everyone, like forex trading. Now, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration at this time. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC Risk Disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk that may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Now, before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So, with that in mind, let's go ahead and see what's going on this week. Let's go here, and we see no events. We've got some English Fed speak coming out of the Bank of England, which is already done. Outside of that, we've got some Fed speak coming out at 8:30, and well, no telling what he's going to say this time. He really doesn't have anything to say, to my knowledge, except tariffs, blah blah blah. That's about all I know that he's going to say. And a range right here, let's look at these ranges right here for the last few hours. 8 pips, 2 pips, minus 6 pips, minus 3 pips, minus 6, minus 8, minus 14. That is not trading territory. That means you're going to lose money chasing markets if you get into it. So let's go straight to the charts next and see what's going on next. That's silver. That's where we left off yesterday. I kind of tweaked the trend lines this morning before I came on. Because my trend lines were a little off. Now that looks a lot better in my eyes. It looks like we could have some action in silver a little bit later on to the upward side. In the meantime, let's go to the USD. And something I did want to point out that I've not pointed out yet. Let's go and do that. Is today is Tuesday the 22nd. We're going to go to Wednesday tomorrow. Oh, looks like a whole bunch of nothing going on tomorrow too. And then Thursday, look at all this. Wow. We've got a whole bunch of stuff going on, especially in Europe. So we very well could see some action on the euro versus the dollar. Right now it's trading at a solid 117. It's probably going to stick there for a day or two until Thursday, unless something huge happens. So let's go to the dollar euro, see if we can figure out what that thing is that's going to happen. And the 4-hour trend line has been broken, but it's not really, it's just drifting. It's not really just going right back up to an old support level. So that's, an old resistance level. So that's not really anything that I would jump on. It is kind of interesting to see where our next point is going to be on this trend line, because it looks like it's pointing. That's good. Very good question. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not even going to speculate on that one. So let's go to the crystal balls in the shop, as I used to say a long time ago. I just said it, so I didn't say it a long time ago. I just said it. How about that? Here we have, again, I'll tweak our trend line a little bit on this one, because it looks like it broke out a little bit, but again, not really a whole lot of action going on there. So, and it's really respecting this trend line. That's the daily. Yes, daily. This trend line. Change that to white so I can see it. And what else we got going on? So with the dollar yen, looks like we could see some things going on here. Again, 147.50. I do not like coming in at the 50 levels. The 50, the 75, or if you really break it down, the 50s and the zeros. But if you put down, I don't like coming in at the 50s, the 25s, the 75s, or the zeros. It doesn't leave you a whole lot of room for entry. So we're going to keep speculating on the 75s and the 25s. Those are also good exit points too. Just keeping that in mind for going forward. Gold. See what gold's doing real quick. This morning, XAUUSD. Go through my chart from my friends at Forex.com. That's where I have my live accounts. Say hi to everybody there if you go there. That's a really straight little range right there. Not a whole lot going on unless you're range trading, and even then that is somewhat speculative, because if it chooses to break out of that range, then you stand to lose a good chunk of change. But I would, again, it's just range trading right now. And they say that 60% of the time, what is it? It's easier to lose money range trading than it is in any other position, because it's going back and forth all the time, and you can't really get a good tight idea of where it's going to come in and where it's going to go out. So with that, I think that's all we got. Seems like there was something else I wanted to say today, but I can't think of what it was. Well, yeah, let's come back over here. This is my very first trading challenge, and so far I am up about 270 on that. Magic number on that is 1500, and that's with Audacity Capital out of London, so that's also something else to consider. In the meantime, not a whole lot going on. If I can't really trade, I can't really meet the challenge yet, or I can't really do my end, which is make money for get to a 10% mark on that. But we're looking forward to getting some more trades in. However, today is not that day. So you guys have a great one. I'm going to go to my day job, and I will see you later. If you like this video, oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Look at that, my new Neely FX coffee mug. Coffee just tastes better when it's in a Neely FX coffee mug. Okay, that's a little bit weird, but at any rate, you guys have a great one, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye.